Hello, this is Drewy Melly from Hannah, Montana. Was on HaverHolidayVillage.com, and today is Saturday, November 30th, 2019. And let me have to learn how to unboxing the Vtech Kidizoom ActionCam. So let's get started over here. What we do, I have to see it, and then obviously have to get to this in the use for districts, an all-weather waterproof case. Unbelievable. So, textness don't have to see that way. I have to do it, such as the front, the left, the right side with this website right here. And I can also stop on the back. So that's nice. Okay. Also, we have to do like the high-speed performance. I mentioned I always just have to see it. Look at the top, which is what it looks like, and the bottom. You got you have the barcode and serial number and stuff. So that's nice. Okay, let's go to open it up. Oh, don't forget. There are lots of cases right here. Alright, let's go ahead and have to take a look and see what's inside. Anyway, I have to pull it out, so here's the box. Let's see what we got. Anyway, you have the special plugin and have to see that way. Comes with this on have to see that way. I usually have this on the fly, you know. But this thing have to do it, and then we can always certain how to do it. Because easiest way how to do from this PC. So we got our ActionCam parents guide using this one. It is well, it's getting taller and taller and taller. Unbelievable. Yeah. Here's the Vtech supplies for this catalog information. You have their baby stuff. They have for parents were the inside. And you know, it's a basic catalog book that is over there across the United States. So, you know, that's a good catalog. Let's see what we got. This thing had to used for hiking, and then used for have to go diving. We always sit there, have to see it that way, and have to do it. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's just about how this one is way better than nothing. I'll show you what this is. Oh, let me go ahead and close it now. Yeah. So we got there's a 3M Innovation sticker on it. So this thing, you also have to stamp it on here. It just coming with it. You just have to see it that way, and then you can always just have to do it and use it at the same time. Actually, I always just have to see it, and then. Gotta make that sound. I can always this because I would have to see that way. It usually has performance. So here is your camera. This is our advantage guaranteed. So let's boot it up. Vtech logo. The usually always have to do it is on the fly. So I can see that way. Look at that. This picture looks like me. Yeah, buddy. So I have to see that way. And then here's the gadgets. Probably gotta get some screwdrivers. So we have to see. You have to be. Oh, not again. Well, you just really have to think that here. So, oh, look at that! It has the instructions on your back right here. So number 4 is, especially you're gonna have to see it, and finally, got the user information. You have to see it and at the same time. Let me go ahead and put this stuff away. Anyway, so it takes a little bit longer to go, and I'll just to see it. So this thing have to do like that. You got. I'm usually always just have to see it that way. It usually has to see it all the time. So it usually have to see it, and then so this thing have to do is almost time for Drewby's birthday. So that's now it says have to see it. And finally, get the user information. It's going to be 20th anniversary. And you have to see that way. You always say that way. It gets very taller and taller than usual. So this now it says have to see it right now. So let me put this stuff away right here with this box. Here we go. Come on, box. Okay. There we go. So that's for something. So is it like us on Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and much more. Explore the possibilities, and you're on your best self when it does. Did you see it? It said, explore it, snap it, share it. And that is pretty much it for this Vtech Kidizoom ActionCam unboxing. It's very much on the indies latest technology. I'll be here to make some more videos today. I've usually coming up with some of the new books you will have to find on the blog at through Ever Holiday Village City at blogspot.com. Yep. I'll be here same time next week, so don't miss it. And tomorrow is gonna be Drewby's birthday. Then I always have to see it that way. I have to see it that way. But once again, everyone is gonna be at almost age of 20, and it's gonna be double 20 of this year. So I'll be here for the next video in December. So this is Dewey Melly signing off on November 30th, 2019. Goodbye.